Hi friends, in this video let us discuss about atmospheric pollution. Atmospheric pollution is the release of a harmful chemical or material into the atmosphere. It also refers to the changes in the atmosphere which may cause impact in the environment or human health through contamination by gases, solid particles, liquid matter, biological material or energy. Earth's atmosphere is a layer of gases retained by Earth's gravity. It contains roughly 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.93% argon, 0.04% carbon dioxide, trace amount of other gases and little amount of water vapor. Components of atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere can be divided into different layers with characteristics, altitude and temperature. The various regions or segments of the atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. Troposphere. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is called troposphere. It extends from 0 to 10 km from the Earth's surface. About 80% of the mass of the atmosphere is in this layer. The troposphere is further divided into hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Hydrosphere. It covers about 75% of the Earth's surface. It includes all types of water sources like oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, streams, underground water, polar ice caps, clouds, etc. Lithosphere. Lithosphere includes soil, rocks and mountains which are solid components of Earth. Biosphere. It includes the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, integrating the living organisms present in the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. All these three components influence much to all living organisms including human beings. Major atmospheric pollutants. Some of the most common pollutants include ozone, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, lead, nitrogen oxides and particulate matter. Greenhouse gases are another form of atmospheric pollutants. Causes of atmospheric pollution. The burning of fossil fuels, sulfur dioxide emitted from the combustion of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and other factory combustibles are the major causes of atmospheric pollution. Other causes include agricultural activities, exhaust from factories and industries, mining operations, indoor air pollution, smoke, volcanic activity, dust from natural sources, fumes from paint, motor vehicles, marine vessels, aircraft and so on. Effects of atmospheric pollution. Long-term health effects from atmospheric pollution include heart disease, lung cancer and respiratory diseases such as emphysema. It can also cause long-term damage to people's nerves, brain, kidney, liver and other organs. Atmospheric pollutants also cause birth defects and skin cancer. According to World Health Organization, more than 1.1 billion people live in urban areas where outdoor air is unhealthy to breathe. How can we reduce atmospheric pollution? Installation of devices in factories that retain the fumes and gases and they may even be reused as energy sources. Application of catalyst in all new cars is to reduce the maximum amount of harmful pollutants entering the atmosphere. Use of alternative technologies that reduce energy consumption make the industry less polluting. Use the public transport as much as possible instead of using own vehicles. Avoid burning plastics and other harmful waste products. Reduce the use of wood stove. Avoid using gas-powered lawn and garden equipment. Dear viewers, the biotic factors such as plants, animals, microorganisms and abiotic factors namely water, air, soil, sunlight, temperature and minerals are like the two sides of a single coin. Man is thus an inseparable part of the environment. Man and the environment have very close relationships with each other. The social life of man is affected by environment. Hence, let's all possess a clear awareness regarding atmosphere and atmospheric pollution to lead a happy and healthy life. Thank you for watching this video.